everybody, what's up, what's up, what's up? So today's video is going to be really, let's just say intense, okay? Because today I'm going to be talking about how I manifested a new car. So you're like, what, bitch, a new car? What? Yes, a new car with the law of attraction, which, disclaimer, it is extremely powerful. So when using manifestation, the law of attraction, you have to be very careful with. All right, so once upon a time I had a Ford. I think it was a pretty decent car. Like when I first seen that, I just fell in love with it. I had to have it. Okay, so after a while though, I had a new car, so I'm like, what should I do? Should I trade this in? Should I return it back? Like, what should I do? So I was just thinking, a thought came to me, which was not a good thought, but I mean, hey, I thought, okay, well, maybe it sounds so bad, I don't even want to say it, but fuck it, this is raw, uncut. So I was just like, okay, well, if I get in an accident, or if somebody hit me, or I hit somebody, which I know sometimes you can't go to jail for insurance fraud, so do not try it. Like, do not be dumb and make the dumb decision that I was thinking about making. So anyway, I ended up, I did say that once before, which I was asking my mom about, and she was like, no, my sister's dad tried to do that before, and then he went to jail for insurance fraud. So I'm like, okay, I definitely don't want to fucking go to jail for insurance fraud. Like, jail, I'll be, no, hell, fuck no. So I was like, okay, boom. Okay, so I'm like, okay, that's out the window. No, I don't want to get in a car accident just to get a new car. That's stupid. But it did cross my mind. Like, I was like, okay, well, what if I get in a car accident, but with no harm to none? Like, anytime I manifest anything, I make sure I include with no harm to none. Nobody included, nobody intended, like, none at all. I don't want anybody to get hurt behind any manifestations that I am doing. This was probably, like, I would say 3 months, which I was manifesting a new car. I wanted a Honda Accord Sport, an all black car. Like, it was just so cute, so nice to me. Like, I was obsessed over, like, getting a Honda Sport black. It had to be black, all black interior. Like, I had it mapped out to the T, but I was kind of like unsure. I was like up and down, like, okay, well, do I want this car or do I want another car? Like, I was just confused in the universe. So I ended up, like, stop being obsessed over cars and then just, like, let it go, forget about it. And, like, that's how the law of attraction works. Like, when you set your intentions, you forget about it, you let it out into the universe, and it go do its magic. So I never, was like, maybe no, I don't know. I kind of was, like, undecided, so I really didn't put too much effort into it. All right, so boom, this day specifically came, and leaving my brother baby shower, and then boom, what the fuck do you know, I get in a car accident. So I was like, what the fuck? Like, at first my mind didn't comprehend it until, like, now. Well, not now, but maybe a few months ago. I was like, damn, I did say that I wanted to get in a car accident to get a new car, which was the dumbest shit that I ever could have said. I am, like, super specific with my manifestations. Like, you have to be specific down to the T with no harm to none, because the universe will give you exactly what you're asking for, but it won't be in the way that you expected it to be. Like, I didn't expect that to really happen. Like, okay, so boom, I got in a car accident, which was really bad. My car was total, like, bad. So I was kind of like, okay, well, I always turn a negative into a positive. I was like, okay, well, I did say this, but okay, I guess I can get a new car now. So I'm like, okay. So I'm just thinking about what kind of car I'm gonna get. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna be fly in my new shit, whipping, like, whatever. So I was just so excited. Okay, boom, I'm looking for a car. So it went about 6 or 7 months without me having a car's car or drive my boyfriend's car, like, back and forth, my brother's car. So I had transportation to get to where I was going, so I wasn't really in a rush to get a car. So then after a while, I started to get kind of desperate for, to get a car, because I'm like, oh, hell no, I gotta get me a fucking car. I can't be, like, if you had a car before and then you went without having a car, you know how that shit is. So I was going to get this one car, but it didn't go as planned, so I didn't really stress about it. I really didn't put too much, you know, thought or energy into it. I was just like, okay, well, it wasn't meant. So, you know, I didn't make a big fuss about it. So I ended up like finally going to this car lot, and I found this car, which it was a Honda. It wasn't a Sport, but the back of my car, it looks just like the back of a Honda Accord Sport. So I was like, is this a Sport? But it wasn't a Sport, but it looked just like the back of the car, which is crazy to me because it was a whole different car. But anyway, I ended up getting that car. Love the car. I'm so grateful that I have the car. But in all reality, I like miss my first car like so much. So it was like, you know, Universal's like, okay, bitch, well, you asked for it, you know, you said you wanted a new car, so here, you got a new car. So I know when asking for something from the universe to be specific, to know that what I want, to be serious, to be sure, because it's like, now I was like, I miss my baby so much. But I'm so grateful, you know, that I do have a car now. It's not, you know, like the car that the Hondas that I'm in, but it don't matter. I'm gonna get it, and I'm gonna be very, very specific. So now it's like very cautious with my words. I'm very cautious with what I ask. I'm very, you know, and more than anything, you need to be grateful. Being grateful like will attract so much stuff into your life. So that's another thing that I noticed, that I need to be grateful for the things that I have now. So now it's like, you know, I'm grateful. You know, I'm not trying to. It's okay to have nice things, but I'm not trying to, you know, be greedy. I'm gonna just be happy with what I have, and then, you know, when the time comes for me to really know what I want and really be serious, then I'll get to manifesting. But when you manifest stuff, the law of attraction, you have to be very careful with what the hell you ask, because the universe it will throw some shit at your ass and be like, well, you didn't say how you wanted to receive it, you just said you wanted it, so shit, I'm making it happen. So just be very mindful. Like, it is so real, like so fucking magical, and I love it. But I know now how to, you know, work around it and make everything, you know, good for my higher being, for my higher self. And I always say that, do it for I always say, for my highest good, with no harm to none, peace, love, and happiness. Like, that's all I want. Like, I don't want any negative stuff with it. I don't want nothing, you know. So just focus on what you do want. Don't focus on what you don't want, because energy goes where attention flows. Alright, so I am out. I hope you guys like this video. More of the story is, like I said 1,000 times, just be careful with what you wish for, because you might just get it. This video, like, comment, subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button. Like, I can do more videos of experiences like this. Like, oh my goodness, I haven't. Matter of fact, I could do another one of how I manifested a out of the blue trip to Chicago, which was like, blew my mind, because that's when I first started manifesting. But alright guys, so I am out. Peace, love, and light, happiness, prosperity, abundance. Like, just send it your way. Send it your way. And I am out. Peace, guys. I love you.
It's poppin'. You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just bought it. I see it. I like it.